Here, Matthias, let's see if I can help you here. Yeah, let's see.
Scoop it up.
Okay, now let's let this guy go. Woo! Out of the way! Here.
Yay! Go get it! Go get it!
Seraphina, out of the way. Matthias, go get it!
Go, big boy! Go, go, go! Go get it! Go get your car! Truck! Truck! Here, big boy.
I'm still your daddy.
Matthias, here it comes.
Mm.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Yay! Came right to you.
Girls, do you like Matthias' new toy?
I think they want it.
Yeah.
It's a big boy toy.
Alright, Matthias, say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye.